Perched on the steep northern slope of Lake Tremblant in Canada, Flèche is a home that seems to emerge from the forest with the force of an arrow shot into the sky. Its angular rooftops cut through the landscape with precision, evoking a contemporary architecture that both respects and integrates with the natural environment. Designed by Mu Architecture, the residence was conceived as a multi-generational retreat where different generations of the same family can gather and create memories surrounded by the Laurentian forest. The rugged terrain required careful solutions. More than 700 square meters were built across 2 levels, with part of the excavated rock reused for landscaping and retaining walls. Hidden behind a paneled wall is a fully equipped pantry kitchen, keeping the main space uncluttered and functional. The ceiling, entirely clad in wood, follows the rhythm of the roof with triangulated planes that direct light toward a skylight above the kitchen. A custom-built cabinet elegantly separates the spaces while also serving as a sculptural feature. The wooden entrance hall opens to the main social areas, arranged in a seamless flow. A living room with a stone fireplace, a dining area, and a spacious kitchen with a central island. On this same level is the primary suite, which includes a fireplace, private balcony, fabric-lined walk-in closet, and a bathroom with a freestanding tub facing the landscape and a stone-clad shower. The lower level includes additional bedrooms, including a guest suite and a children's room with custom bunk beds. On this floor, there is also a leisure-focused family lounge, complete with a game room, bar, and access to the spa, sauna, and gym. The outdoor area includes a terrace equipped with a barbecue, fireplace, and dining area, all overlooking the lake. The sharply defined metal roof shelters warm wood soffits underneath, softening the geometry and adding a welcoming texture. Outside, raw materials take center stage. Dry stacked stone, wood, and steel in soft tones that blend harmoniously with the surrounding vegetation. La Flèche is more than just a seasonal residence. It is a place that welcomes with discretion, encourages family togetherness, and expresses architecture as a bridge between comfort and nature.